are you running? Why are you running? Yeah?
Alright guys, so I'm just very happy.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
So we just hit 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I don't even know how to dance, so don't know how to dance, but we just hit 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And you know, this YouTube journey is not easy. It's not easy. Come on. See guys, without you, I'll never get to this 5,000. Without you, without your support, without you right there, without you watching me right here, I will never get to this 5,000. Okay, now let's talk about one subscriber. When I started, I had 2, I had 5, I had 10, I had 50, I had 100 subscribers. From 100, I had 200, 300, 400, 500, 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers, 4,000 subscribers, and now 5,000 subscribers. And you say I should not come and tell you guys thank you? Is that what you mean? No.
No.
So I first of all thank God for the life, understand, for the wisdom, for the knowledge, everything. Then I bring this thanks to you. Guys, you are great. I love you guys so much. So now we've gotten to 5,000 subscribers. Expect more videos. I mean, expect more videos, more tutorials back to back. You know what? I do pray for my subscribers.
Oh,
I do pray for my fans. I do pray for, in fact, you all are my family now.
That's awesome.
You know what? Because when God blesses you, I know you'll bless me. No, that's the thing now. Don't you understand? I pray God should bless you. God should give you money so that you can buy data, subscribe, and be watching my tutorial. I know, even as I'm small, you know, get my point. Small subscribers, just 5,000 subscribers. But by God's grace, I've been able to raise some people. That is my happiness, guys. That's my happiness. I've been able to raise some people. I have to celebrate now. You know why I'm celebrating? If I had passed through the corners to get these 5,000 subscribers, maybe nothing would have made me to be happy like this.
Yeah, we realized this.
But I thank God I never did anything illegal. I never, in fact, I did all those things in my other channels. So that's why I got the result I got. I don't want to go into it because it did not end well.
This man.
You get my point. So I have to follow this channel bit by bit. I have patience. I keep watching. I keep checking out. I keep making research. I keep trying to. Oh God, English don't finish on my mouth. Continue. Oh, see me. I'm very happy. You get my point. I'm just very happy because I didn't go through the corners to get these 5,000 subscribers. It's organic. Organic. I mean, let me use American accent. Organic. Get out of here. So guys, please, if you are an upcoming content creator, let me use this one to motivate you. Create a channel. If you are into this video editing stuff, create a channel now. Start today to create your own channel and start editing your videos and start posting them on your channel. Give yourself up to 5 months. If you are consistent, you're going to see a good result. I'm telling you this thing from experience. Give yourself just 5 months. If you are consistent, you are going to see a good result. Don't buy subscribers. Don't buy views. Don't do anything illegal, anything against YouTube guidelines. Please avoid it. Just run away from it. Don't say I did not tell you. Please keep pushing. Keep pushing. You know, that's just it, guys. Hey, finally I've gotten this thing now. I'm gonna put it in my mouth. So guys, share this video. Let this video motivate you. Let this video motivate you.